Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set maximum number of users to no limit for your Discord invitation link. So very simple and easy way guys. Just right click on your channel name, then here click on invite people. So this is the link and you can set maximum number of users to no limit for this link. So click on edit invite link and here you can set expire after like day 7 day or never, and also you can use to no limit for this invitation link. So this drop down select no limit, then click on generate a new link. So now this link will never expire and no limit to use for this link. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.